Welcome students. Subject Mathematics Standard 8th. Content Part 2. Chapter number 15. Area. Practice set 15.2. Points to remember. Keynotes. If sides of a closed polygon are given in the units centimeter, meter, kilometer, then their areas are in the units square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer respectively. Now, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonal. Question number 1. Lengths of diagonal of a rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its area. You know the formula. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to half into 15 into 24. When we divide 2 with 24, we will get 12. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to 12 into 15 is equal to 180 centimeters square. Question number 2. Length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. You know the formula. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to half into 16.5 into 14.2. So, when we simplify, um, 14.2 when we divide with 2 we will get 7.1. Therefore area of a rhombus is equal to 16.5 into 7.1 is equal to 117.15 centimeters square. Therefore area of a rhombus is equal to 117.15 centimeters square is the answer. Question number 3. If perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? Look at the figure. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 100. Therefore, side is equal to 100 upon 4. That is equal to 25 centimeter. Thus, each side of the rhombus is equal to 25 centimeter. Diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other. In triangle AOB, we apply Pythagoras theorem. So you know the formula, hypotenuse squared is equal to one side square plus other side square. Therefore, AO squared plus OB square is equal to AB square. AB square is a hypotenuse. Therefore, 24 square plus OB square is equal to 25 square. Therefore, OB square is equal to square of 25 is equal to 625. Square of 24 is equal to 576. Therefore, OB square is equal to 625 minus 576, that is equal to 49. So when we take the square root we will get 7 centimeter. Therefore length of OB is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore DB is equal to 2 into OB, that is equal to 2 into 7, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore area of a rhombus, you know the formula, half into product of diagonals, that is equal to half into 14 into 48. Therefore when we divide 14 with 2 we will get 7, that is equal to 7 into 48 is equal to 336 centimeters square. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to 336 centimeters square is the answer. Question number 4. If length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, finds its perimeter. Look at the figure. Let the other diagonal be d centimeter. Area of a rhombus, you know the formula of into product of diagonals. Therefore, you know already area 240 is equal to half into 30 into d. D means diagonal. Therefore, D is equal to 240 into 2 upon 30. When we simplify, we will get 16 centimeter. So, now you know AC is equal to 30 centimeter and DB is equal to 6. Diagonal of a rhombus bisect at right angles. In triangle AOB, you know Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. Therefore, 15 square plus 8 square is equal to AB square. Therefore, AB square is equal to 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64. Therefore, AB square is equal to 225 plus 64, that is equal to 289. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 289 is equal to 17 centimeter. Thus, the side of the rhombus is equal to 17 centimeter. Now, we want to find out the perimeter of the rhombus. So, you know the formula, perimeter is equal to 4 into side, that is equal to 4 into 17, that is equal to 68 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 68 centimeter is the answer. I hope you all understood the above sums. Thank you.